Oh, hello there. This is Ívar by Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we are tying an Icelandic pattern which is called Jazz. It's originally by Ásgeir Heiðar, and the Jazz pattern is a really simple pattern. It's a salmon fly, as you see. You have a treble hook in the vise, and the thread I'm using an 8/0 uni red, and we start by building up the head of the fly because there is no body on the fly. It's a really simple pattern. And for the wing we are using a black squirrel, a vineyard squirrel, and the hook for the hook we are using, that's an Ahrex 10. It's an Esmond 10. It's a really good hook, sharp and durable, I presume. So we start by measuring the wing length. The fibers of the fur can be long because it's a long wing. It is a long wing fly. Just add like a drop of varnish inside the wing and then attach it down like this, and no adjustments made. You'll just start to build up the head of the fly, and with this technique the wing is gonna stay in place. Indeed, it's not gonna slip out or anything. And for the cheeks of the fly we are using a jungle cock feathers, and I already prepared 2 of them. And it's just fine to do it like this, to tear away that part I did and turn the vise around. You can place your finger on the top of the feather like so, and just like we said, just do a couple of wraps, and then you can kind of drag it into the place you want it to be, and then we take tighter wraps to secure it. On the same side, not the same side, but the side facing to you guys, the camera side, we do the same. We pinch off the stuff. The feather, stem, sometimes on the jungle cock, especially if the feathers are small, sometimes they break. And there is nothing that you can actually do much about it. You'll have to use it like it is. And then you can try to drag it in place to make them even. And since the stem broke, it's not as easy. But I'm not cutting this out of the video. I'm just showing you how to go again for it and place it then in place. This is okay so far, and then you can, like this, adjust it into its place, and then you can make like a tighter wraps, like really tight wraps, to secure both of the cheeks feathers in place. Then you will grab your scissors and trim off the remaining stem or tag end. Do that both sides, and then the fly is not completely ready, but it's ready to start to like build up the head of the fly, which is like a red head made out of this thread we have. And one thing which I read about this fly is that it's good to like strip it fast and use a floating line. That's what stands in the book, at least. And then we just do the finishing process, couple of knots, and then we'll be doing the paint job basically, or placing some varnish coat of varnish on the head of the fly, and then we should be good to go. I haven't tried this fly too much myself, but I decided to tie it because it's an Icelandic pattern, and it deserves the attention, definitely. It's a good fly, I think. So I'm just gonna say to you guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, take care. See you.